Lagi mo ka. Ano siya? Sa kanta nila? Give give love on Christmas. Yeah, my throat is kind. Sorry. I've been having bad allergies lately. Especially if bare months comes, I get colds a lot because I'm not used to cold breeze. Thank you, Farouz. Happy Christmas. No need to say sorry, Irv. I'm used to it. Every time it's bare months. Like every time it's snowing in Ha? Ako pa tawag niya ay talalahon mo to.
Nilakaw mo siya dito. Kuan nakita may sa kuan may tawag mo patawagon ka.
Ay, kapoy. In short.
Niya to sa gutalak ko.
Ha?
Dito yung gutalak.
O ba dito magkita?
Nakita may dito ni ko. Tawag ko siya patawagon ka. Ha, ganun.
Mo ito siya mo. Late naman siya na tugod. Yeah, when it's bare months, I usually get colds, coughs, and my allergies will worsen. So yeah, I don't like to be dependent with medicine. Hindi ka to. Nanginom na kong alerta. Lagi pero dugay na mo na wala mo na ko straightan yung inom ba. Tad na ni 2 months na mag 2 months siguro. Papalit baby ugma sa kuan gali di pulog og drops. That's nice. How sweet of you, Irv. Yeah, your girl there will be so lucky to have you there because you know how to nurse. Well, I mean, today I'm not that busy, billionaire. Alex. I just finished my job and we just finished practicing our dance. You want a math debate? I'm not a math genius king baker. Yeah, hi papi. Papi chulo. Yeah. I'm kind of sweating. Really? Gorgeous? From where are you, gorgeous? You've been to Cebu? You like Cebu? Yeah, the language there is my language also, Bisaya. Thanks, Ramon. Hope you'll subscribe. Hi, Kader. Sure. You can stay here. Everyone is welcome. Yeah, everyone is welcome. Stay. Me? I'm not that popular or just started this channel last May. Yeah. Nana? Oh. Salamat ng marami. Yeah, you love adobo? Yeah, it's famous here in the Philippines, adobo.